Hi, my name is Dr. Arun Panda. I'm a facial plastic surgeon from Mumbai. So many people, patients, they come and ask about treating something known as a condition called gummy smile. So what exactly is a gummy smile? Gummy smile is a condition when the patient smiles, you can see excessive amount of the patient's teeth or gums are visible. Actually, it is very unesthetic. So the patients complain about this and they want to get this corrected. Now let us try and understand what could be the reasons of gummy smile and how do we treat it. So the first thing is like if the upper maxilla, this bone is very high, if it is beyond the normal, what happens is the maxilla is more. So every time the patient smiles, the teeth are thin. That's number one, which is called as a vertical maxillary excess, which can be treated by something called as an orthognathic surgery or Leaford 1 surgery. Number two is this upper lip. See, the upper lip, if it is short, every time you smile, your teeth and gums are going to be visible. So the second cause, as I mentioned, is short upper lip. How do we treat it? By doing something called as a lip lengthening procedure. The third thing is basically something called as an excessive amount of gingiva or the gums which is there. So those can be trimmed and they can be taken care of. And the fourth thing, the fourth cause of excessive gingival display or gummy smile is basically if you have the hyperactive muscles or the muscles which lift the upper lip up, they are hyperactive. Hyperactive is like every time you smile, they are more active than what they should be. When that happens, every time you are smiling, it is pulling the upper lip up. Now, how do we treat it? By doing something called as gummy smile treatment with botulinum toxin. It's a very popular treatment and we do it very often. We have developed our own protocols called Panda 0301 protocol, wherein we use just 8 units of botulinum toxin at different sites and we relax these muscles and we take care and we get this kind of smile. So every time the patient smiles after the treatment, he's unable to show, unable to show the excessive amount of gingiva or the teeth, and that gives a very aesthetic look. If you have any query regarding your gummy smile or any of the facial plastic surgical or lasers or body contouring procedures, please feel free to get in touch with us. You could also follow us on our Facebook page and Instagram page and we'll be more than happy to help you.